Aloha guys, I am coming with good news. I'm the bearer of good news this evening. So the law has just been passed that Hawaii is now open for travel if you have been vaccinated and you're coming from the mainland. As of July 8th, if you have both vaccine shots and it's been 2 weeks since you've had your vaccine shots, you can now bypass the Safe Travel program coming to Hawaii. What does that really mean? Well, technically, before this point, you would have to take a COVID test and upload it 72 hours before your flight. That is no longer a thing as of July 8th. If you have both shots and it's been 2 weeks, all you need to do is upload that into your profile before coming. When you get to the airport, you are going to be asked if you have both vaccination, which then you will show them the QR code that you are given after you have uploaded your vaccine information in your profile. They will scan that at the airport, and that's it. When you come to Hawaii, you land, you go straight to the exit. And that's fantastic. We've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. So a really quick recap. As of July 8th, if you have both your vaccine and you are traveling from the mainland to Hawaii, you can now upload that information into your profile. You will then get a QR code when you do so. Upon arriving at the airport, before coming here, you show them that QR code, they scan it, and you are on your way. Easy breezy for sheezy. But one thing super important, make sure you bring the hard copy of your vaccination. You need that. That is super important. And pretty much that's it. So if this is good news for you, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet and you happen to just stumble across our channel, make sure you subscribe because we have so much information coming to you about Hawaii and all its updates. Until next time, cheese!